A luxurious 6-bedroom fully detached duplex in a premier location here in Lagos, Nigeria, precisely Banana Island, the most sought after location in Lagos, Nigeria. Here you can see this beautiful building. So let's move into this 6-bedroom fully detached duplex and see what we have right here. You can see the high door. Here is the welcome room, talking about the ante room. Over there is the guest toilet. This is a smart, luxurious home. The door is locked. You can see the ante room again. Now, let's move into the main house. Like you can see, work is still ongoing. This is located right here in a premier location here in Ikoyi, Lagos, Nigeria. So let's say what we have right here. We have this kitchen. It's a fully fitted. You have your double door fridge right there. And there you have the storeroom right down there. This is another kitchen here, like an open kitchen, right in this massive luxury living room here. So let's move to the end of this living room. You can see the white glass. You have the swimming pool right down there. You can see the height of the building. The space is very massive. Up here, we have this family lounge, very spacious, with your elevator. To every floor you go on in this building, you can see the living room from here. Wow, can you see the classy staircase you have right there? You have some rooms here. You can see they are very spacious, wide windows. It's in suite with a beautiful marble. Can you see how spacious the toilet and bathroom is? This is where the creme de la creme lives. This location where this property is sited. The good thing about this property, you're buying peace of mind because it comes with a powerful title, a governor's consent. It has building approval. It's selling for $5 million. $5 million. You see the kind of home. This is what we call home. Talking about the sizes of the bedroom, you can see the luxury, very massive. This is what the Englishman says. You don't judge a book by its cover. You saw from the outside, you think, whoa. But coming down in here, you can see the sizes, very massive bedroom. So call us for more information for inspections, for purchase of this beautiful, luxurious home here in Ikoyi, Lagos, Nigeria, precisely Banana Island. You want to be where the 1% of the 1% is in Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria. This is for you. Where the creme de la creme lives, the business mogul, the, great celebrities and the rest. Expatriates, this is for you. You can see it has elevator. You have every luxury that makes a complete home right in this beautiful. Can you see the massive bath bathroom and toilet for the master's bedroom. Very massive. See, for a better view comfort inspection, you'll see how massive this is. Even bigger than some living room. Very massive. So, thank you for watching. Please take advantage. We have just one unit of this beautiful, luxurious home selling for $5 million with governor's consent, building approval. So we're waiting for you to come secure this beautiful, luxurious unit for you and your family. Thank you for watching.